Welcome back. Time now for the business day. Grace Kennedy has reached an agreement with Spike Industries to acquire the remaining 30% stake in Catherine Speak Bottling Company, making it a wholly owned subsidiary of GK. The deal, which is subject to customary closing conditions, solidifies GK's dominant position in Jamaica's growing spring water market. Frank James, CEO of GK Foods Domestic, emphasized that the move aligns with GK's long-term growth strategy. GK has been strengthening its position in Jamaica's growing spring water market, acquiring 876 Spring Water in 2021 and Unibev in 2023. Mr. James, who will become the conglomerate CEO next month, described the acquisition as a strategic milestone that reinforces GK's commitment to owning leading Jamaican brands with global market appeal. Factories Corporation of Jamaica, FCJ, says because of the high demand for space at the Morant Bay Urban Center, it's currently oversubscribed. FCJ Chairman Littleton Shirley explains that businesses will be occupying the property on a phased basis starting next month. And because of the demand, plans are already in place for the construction of a small micro-business park. It will be built on lands recently acquired by FCJ.
And we did that strategically because we wanted the factories as a government agency to be more fluid and flexible in providing space as it relates to small businesses. And we are doing the drawing, we are looking financing, and we are expecting that construction for the small micro business park will start in possible early as April. Construction will commence for that.
He insists businesses from St. Thomas will be prioritized.
Most of them will be coming from St. Thomas because most of them are asking for small space, 500 square feet to 600 to 1,000 square feet. It's not practical for us to have provided that in the commercial building space. So the micro business park will be that great facilitator for most of the small businesses coming from St. Thomas.
The JSE index advanced by 118 points, while the junior market index advanced by 42 points. The 57 stocks which advanced were led by AS Bryden & Sons Holdings, Indies Pharma, Knutsford Express, Kingston Wharves, and JPS 7% preference shares. 40 shares declined, including CAC 2000, 138 Student Living Variable Preference Shares, Caribbean Assurance Brokers, Stanley Motor, and First Rock Real Estate Investments. 18 stocks traded firm. To some currency trading now, banks and cambios are selling the American dollar for an average $157.82. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $110.11. $195.39 is the average value of the pound, while the euro will go for $166.11. And that's the business day. News from overseas after the break.